Good morning, girls. Today I am going to do lesson number 22. We started chapter number 7, matrices, last time. Today I am going to do addition and subtraction of matrices. Okay. Last time we did the types. Now today the next topic, addition and subtraction. Now there is one rule that you have to follow. That is the important rule. Rule is that you have to check the order of the matrix. Okay, order of first matrix, order of first matrix is equals to the order of second matrix. If the order is equal, then only you can add or subtract. Okay, so order means row into column of first matrix is equals to row and column of second matrix. Okay, number of rows and columns of this is first matrix. Okay, first matrix, if it is equals to number of rows and column of the second matrix. If both are equal, then only you can add or subtract. So only this rule you have to follow. Now I'll give you the example. With the help of example, I'll show you how to add and subtract. Okay. Very simple it is. Addition and subtraction. Now the example I'm going to write. Example number 1. Suppose matrix A is 4, 2, 3, minus 1. Okay, this is matrix A. Matrix B is 6, 0, minus 3 and 2. And matrix C is 2 and 3. Now these three matrices are there in the question, and you have to find A plus B, then find B plus A, then A plus C, and B plus C. Okay, so all these we are going to solve now. Let's start with the first one. First we'll do A plus B. Let's solve A plus B first. First part of the question. Let's solve it. First part, A plus B. So we will write these two matrices. So matrix A, 4, 2, 3, minus 1, plus matrix B, 6, 0, minus 3 and 2. Now according to the rule, we will check the order first. Okay, let's check the order of A and then order of B. Okay, order of A equals to row into column, and order of B, matrix B, row into column. Now in this matrix there are two rows, first row, second row, two rows into 1 and 2 columns. So order is 2 by 2. Same here in matrix B, 1, 2 rows, and there are 1, 2 columns. So in this case you can see order is same of both matrices. Order of A is equals to order of B. So it means you can add these two matrices. Okay, if order is same, then only you can add matrices. Now how to add the matrices? Now we will add first element plus first element, second element plus second, third plus third, and fourth plus fourth. Okay, let's write it. 4 plus 6, first element of first matrix plus first element of second matrix. Okay, then second element plus second element, leave the space, second element plus second, then third element plus third element, 3 plus, in the bracket you write -3, fourth element plus fourth element, -1 plus 2. Okay, so all these you are going. Okay, now 6 plus 4 is 10, 10, 2 plus 0, 2, 3 plus into minus is minus, 3 minus 3 is 0, minus 1 plus 2 is 1, sign of the greater number is plus. So this is the answer. Simple addition it is. For the MCQs you can do this. Simply you can add this. 6 plus 4, 10, 2 plus 0, 2, 3 plus into minus is minus, 3 minus 3 is 0, minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Okay, so this is the answer. Simple it is. Just check the order. If order is same, then only you can add two matrices. Okay. Okay, now let's do the second part of the question. Okay. Now the second part of the question. Now let's do the second part of the question. Second part of the question is b plus a. So we will add b and a. Okay. So second part. It is b plus a. Let's add these two matrices. Matrix B first. 6, 0, -3 and 2. It is in the question, okay? Plus A. First we'll write matrix B, then write matrix A. 4, 2, 3, -1. Now again check the order. Order is same. Order of matrix B is 2 rows and 2 columns. Same here, 2 rows and 2 columns. So order is same, so you can add them. You can roughly write it if you want. Row into column of first matrix is 2 by 2, and here order row into column is also 2 by 2. So both are equal, so you can add them. Same way you are going to add first element plus first element, second plus second, third plus third, fourth plus fourth. Okay, let's add these. 6 plus 4. Okay, first element plus first. Now second plus second, 0 plus 2. Third element plus third, -3 plus 3. Then fourth element plus fourth, 2 plus, and inside you write -1. So this. Add them. 6 plus 4 is 10. This is 10. 0 plus 2 is 2. -3 plus 3 is 0. And 2 plus into minus is minus. 2 minus 1 is 1. If you check the answer of a plus b, it is also same as this one. So you can say that a plus b is always equals to b plus a. So this is known as commutative property. Okay, this is known as commutative property. You have done it in the sets also. Commutative property. Okay, so this is commutative property. Okay. If they ask you to do both a plus b and b plus a, then you solve it. Otherwise, whatever is given, whatever is asked in the question, only that you are going to find. Okay. Now let's do the third part. Okay, now do the third part. Okay, let's do third part. Third part is to find A plus C. Now in the third part, find A plus C. Now we will write matrix A first. Matrix A first is in the question is 4, 2, 3, minus 1. Okay, this is matrix A. Now write matrix C plus matrix C. Matrix C is 2, 3. Now we will find the order first. Order of first matrix, row into columns. 1, 2. 2 rows, 1, 2. 2 columns. So 2 by 2 is the order. Now order of the second matrix in this one. 1, 2. 2 rows into 1 column. Now you can see that in this case order is not same. Here it is 2 by 2 and the order of second matrix is 2 by 1. Now order is different. It means you cannot add these two matrices. Simply you will write it's not possible. Not possible to add. Okay. So not possible is the answer. So you can only add two matrices when the order is same. If order is different, you cannot add them. Same way you can do the third part. In the third part, B plus C, B plus C. So matrix B is 6, 0, minus 3 and 2 plus matrix C is 2, 3. Again order you'll check, row into column, and here also row into column. 1, 2 rows, 1, 2 columns. So 2 by 2. Here 1, 2 rows and into 1 column. So order is different. It means that it is not possible. You cannot add this. So order is important. If it is same, then only you can add the matrices. And then addition is very simple. So I hope you have understood this, how to add them. Same way we will subtract also. Okay, let's do now subtraction of matrices. Okay, now subtraction of matrices, same rule you have to follow in this also. Rows into column of first matrix is equals to rows in column of second matrix. If both are equal, then only you can subtract. So for addition and subtraction, rules are same. Okay, same. You are going to check. Let's do one example of subtraction also, how to subtract them. Almost it is same. Instead of plus sign you will write minus sign. Okay, if matrix A is 5, 3, 9, 4, this is matrix A. Matrix B is 2, minus 1, 0 and 3, and matrix C is 6 and 3. So these are the three matrices, and we will find in this case A minus B, and we will find B minus A, and then we will solve B minus C. Okay. Let's solve these one by one. We'll start with the first one. First one is A minus B. Let's solve A minus B. Now, first one, A minus B. So matrix A is 5, 3, 9, 4. Matrix A minus matrix B, 2, minus 1, 0, 3. So you will check the order. Okay, A minus B I have written. Let's check the order of both. You can directly see also that order is same, both are square matrices, but still write the order. Order has is 2 rows and 2 columns, and order of second matrix is also 2 rows and 2 columns. You can see 1 2 rows, 1 2 columns. Same here, 1 2 rows, 1 2 columns. So order is same, rows, number of rows into column. So it means you can subtract, and same way you're going to subtract. Let's subtract them. So subtraction is also same. First element minus first element, second minus second, third minus third, fourth minus fourth. Okay, let's start with this. 5 minus 2, first element minus first element. Okay, then second minus second, 3 minus in the bracket minus 1. Fourth minus fourth means 9 minus 0. Sorry, third minus third, and fourth minus fourth, 4 minus 3. Okay, it is same as addition. First minus first, second minus second, third minus third, and fourth minus fourth. Now subtract and write the answer. 5 minus 2 is 3. Minus into minus plus, so 3 plus 1 is 4. 9 minus 0 is 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. This is the answer. Simply you will subtract them and write the answer. Okay, let's do the second part. Second part you have to find B minus A. Okay, let's solve B minus A. Number 2. B minus A. So we'll write matrix B first. Matrix B is 2 minus 1 0 3, and minus matrix A. Matrix A is 5 3 9 and 4. Again check the order. So row into column here, 2 rows 2 columns, so 2 by 2 square matrix it is. Same here, order is also same, 2 rows 2 columns, so 2 by 2. Order is also same. Let's subtract. Same way you will subtract. First element minus first, 2 minus 5. First element minus first element, second element minus second, minus 1 minus 3. Third element minus third element, 0 minus 9. Fourth element minus fourth element, 3 minus 4. So the answer 2 minus 5. Sign of the greater number will come, minus sign, and 3. Minus 1 minus 3, same sign we always add. So you'll get 4, and sign of the greater number minus. 0 minus 9 is 9, and sign of the greater number minus. 3 minus 4 is 1, and sign of the greater number is minus. So this is the answer. Now you can see that these two answers are different. So A minus B or B and B minus A are not equal. Only the plus 1 is equal, A plus B and B plus A. Okay. Now let's do the third part, last part of it. Now in the third part, how to solve it? Third part is B minus C. Let's do the third part, B minus C. B minus C. We'll write matrix B first. Matrix B is 2 minus 1 0 3 minus matrix C. Matrix C is 6 and 3. Now we will check the order. Row into column. There are 2 rows and 2 columns, so 2 by 2. and order of this one, row into column, one row, there is one row into one, two columns. Again you can see in this case order is different. So when order is different, here it is 2 by 2 and order of second matrix is 1 by 2. So order is different, you cannot subtract them, so you will simply write not possible. Okay, not possible. Okay, so this is subtraction. I hope you have understood subtraction. It's a easy topic. Addition and subtraction both are easy topics. You can simply add and subtract. Just check the order, and then if order is same, then only you can add and subtract. Okay. Now we'll do the next part of it, that is additive inverse. How to find the additive inverse. Okay, let's do the second part. Now additive inverse will do. Additive inverse you have done in sets also. In additive inverse you change the sign. So inverse of addition is subtraction. Okay. Inverse of addition is subtraction, like you have done in sets chapter. For example, if plus 4 is given, so additive inverse is minus 4. Okay, same way, inverse of subtraction, inverse of subtraction is addition. Okay, so suppose if it is minus 5, so additive inverse is plus 5. Okay, this we have done it in sets chapter also. And sum of these two real number is always 0. Minus 5 plus 5 is 0. So these numbers are additive inverse of each other. So sum is always 0. So remember this, sum of these two numbers is always 0. Now let's do the example. Okay, how to find additive inverse when matrices are given. Okay, in matrices, how to change the sign. Example will do. Let's write first matrix. If A equals to 3 and minus 4. Okay, this topic mostly comes in the MCQs. Okay, you do this for the MCQs. They'll give you the matrix and you have to write the additive inverse. Okay, find additive inverse. So additive inverse means minus A. Additive inverse of A is minus A equals to, you will change the sign, plus will change into minus 3 and minus 4 into, which will change into plus 4. So this is the answer. Okay, one more example. If matrix B is 2, minus 3, minus 4 and 5, so find additive inverse. Okay, find additive inverse. So how you find additive inverse? Minus B. So minus B means change the signs. Plus will change to minus 2, minus will change into plus 3, minus 4 will change into plus 4, and plus 5 will change into minus 5. No need to write plus sign because it is understood that sign is positive. Okay, so it comes in the MCQs they'll give you the matrix additive inverse of matrix, this matrix equals to dash. So you will write this in the answer for additive inverse. Okay. And now let's do one more example how they are inverse of each other. Suppose two matrices are given and you have to find that they are inverse of each other. Okay. Sample number 3. Okay. If A is 7 minus 8, 6 and 3, and matrix B is minus 7, 8, minus 6 and minus 3. These are the two matrices, and if these are the two matrices, then you have to find that they are additive inverse of each other. Additive inverse of each other. Okay. Now these two matrices are given. So how you will find they are additive inverse of each other? When you add these numbers, sum is always equals to 0. Okay, so it means that they are additive inverse of each other. So we will add them, A plus B, and see if answer is coming 0. It means that they are additive inverse of each other. So two matrices are given, we will add them. So A plus B means first element plus first element, 7 plus minus 7, minus 8 plus 8, second element plus second element, third element plus third element, 6 plus minus 6, and fourth element plus fourth element, 3 plus minus 3. So you can see that after solving, 7 plus into minus minus, so 7 minus 7 0, minus 8 plus 8 cancelled 0, 6 minus 6, minus plus minus, so 6 minus 6 0, plus minus minus, 3 minus 3 is 0. So it means that they are additive inverse of each other because your answer is 0. So in additive inverse you just have to change the sign. Okay, remember this. In matrices, if it is in matrix form, same you are going to do, change the sign of the numbers. Okay, simple, it is very simple. Okay, now we have completed addition, subtraction and additive inverse. Let's do the exercise 7.2. Question number 1, 2 and 3, you can do it on your own. Simple question, you have to find if the matrices are equal or not. Okay, I'm going to explain you question number 4, 5 and 6. Okay, matrices are equal, then how to find the value of x or y. Okay, so let's start question number 4 from your book, exercise 7.2. Question number 4. Two matrices are given. 3y is equals to x minus 7. Now in this case you have to find the value of x. Okay, now in the question you can see equals to sign is given. Equals to sign is given means first term is equals to first term of the second matrix, second term is equals to the second term of the second matrix. So you can write the value of x and y. So 3 equals to x. Okay, 3 equals to x. This is the value of x, and y equals to minus 7. Second value equals to second value. So y, value of y is minus 7. So simple it is. Two matrices are equal. You can easily find the answer. Okay, simple question it is. Let's do second one. Next one, number 5. Okay, question number 5. Again, two matrices are equal in this question. 0, 0.2 x, 5, 0.3 y and 6, okay, equals to 2, 6 minus 1, 3 and 2 plus 4, okay. So they have, it is given that these two matrices are equal. You have to find x and y. First term equals to first term. Let's solve it. 0.2 x equals to 2. This first term 0.2 x equals to first term of the second matrix, okay. And same way this y term is equals to this third term is equals to third term of the matrix. So let's write this also. 0.3 y equals to 3, okay. This third term equals to third term. Find x. X will remain here. 0.2 is multiplying, that side you will divide. So x equals to 2 divided by 0.2. You can use calculator to divide. So after dividing you'll get the value of x. It is 10. This is the first answer. Same way you can solve y. Y will remain here. 0.3 is multiplying, that side you will divide. 3 divided by 0.3. So the value of y, after dividing with calculator you can divide, y is also 10. Okay, simple it is. Two matrices are equal, you have to compare them to find the answer. So simple, just do the calculation and solve it. Now number 6, question number 6 I'll do. Question number 6. In this question, root is given. Under root 5, x is outside the root, then under root 5 and y is outside the root, then under root 5 and under root 5, okay. And this matrix is equals to, in the matrix, root 5, second term also root 5, third term also root 5, fourth term is also root 5, okay. Now these two matrices are equal. You have to find the value of x and y. So x is first term, y is second term. First term equals to the first term of the second matrix. So under root 5, x outside equals to under root 5. And for the value of y, under root 5y second term, second element equals to second. Under root 5 y equals to under root 5, okay. So these are elements. This first element equals to first, second equals to second. So I have written it. X will remain here. Under root 5 is multiplying, that side you will divide. Equals to under root 5 divided by under root 5. So the value of x is 1. Now find y. Same way, y will remain here and equals to under root 5 will go that side, so you will divide. Under root 5 divided by under root 5. So the value of y is 1. This is the answer, okay. Simple it is. For the MCQs you have to do this, okay. Two matrices are equal, so you can find the value of x and y, okay. Now I'm going to do another question, addition question. Last one I'll try to do. Last one, okay, I'll do the last one. After this there are subtraction question. You can do subtraction question also. if possible to subtract, then only you will subtract. Then there are inverse questions. So inverse question also you can do. Additive inverse you have to find, so only change the sign in that. I'm going to do the question number 15, addition question. Then 16th you can do it same way then. Okay, I'll do the 15th one, then 16th you can do it yourself. Okay, this is question number 15. You can see in this question, matrix X is given, Y is given, Z is given, and matrix O is given. Okay, and you have to solve this. X plus Y is in the bracket plus Z equals to X plus Y plus Z in the bracket equals to X plus Z plus Y in the bracket. So all the answers will come same. Equals to sign it means this left hand side equals to this center one equals to right hand side. So all three I'm going to solve it, and then same way you can do question number 16. Let's start with left hand side. left hand side left hand side is X plus Y plus Z. Okay, first we'll find the answer of this one. Okay, X plus Y, so matrix X is -6, 8, -7 and 12. This is X plus matrix Y is 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is X plus Y. Okay, in the bracket you can write plus matrix Z. Matrix Z is 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, then solve it. Order you can check. This is 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns, it means you can add them. Same way you will add first element plus first element, -6 plus 12, second element plus second, 8 plus 13, third element plus third, -7 plus 14, and fourth element plus fourth, so 12 plus 15. Then plus this one, this matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, first we'll solve this. -6 plus 12 is 6, 8 plus 13 is 21, -7 plus 14 is 7, 12 plus 15 is 27. Plus, now you can add this matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, let's add this matrix. Simply same way you are going to add, you can check the order. Order is same, 2 rows, 2 columns. Same here, 2 rows and 2 columns, so you can add them. Let's add. First element plus first, 6 plus 1. Second element plus second, 21 plus 0. Third element plus third, 7 plus 0. Fourth plus fourth, 27 plus 1. Add them. You'll get the answer. 6 plus 1, 7. 21 plus 0, 21. 7 plus 0, 7. 27 plus 1 is 28. So this is the answer of the left hand side. Okay. Now same way we are going to solve the center part and then the right hand side. Okay, let's do the center part. Okay. Now what center part will do? Center part, what it is? Center part is X plus Y plus Z in the bracket. Okay, this is the center part. So write X first. So matrix X is -6, 8, -7 and 12 plus bracket matrix Y plus Z. Matrix Y is 12, 13, 14, 15 plus matrix Z is 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, we'll solve this bracket first, okay? This as it is. This we'll write as it is, minus 6, 8, minus 7, 12. Plus, we'll add these two. Order is same of both. 2 rows, 2 columns. Same way, 2 rows and 2 columns. So add them. First element plus first. So 12 plus 1. Second element plus second. 13 plus 0. Third element plus third. 14 plus 0. And fourth element plus fourth. 15 plus 1. So this as it is, minus 6, 8, minus 7, 12, plus, you can add 12 plus 1 is 13, 13 plus 0, 13, 14 plus 0, 14, 15 plus 1 is 16. Now we will add these two. Again check the order. Order is same, 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 rows and 2 columns. So you can add them. First element plus first, minus 6 plus 13. Second element plus second, 8 plus 13. Third element plus third is minus 7 plus 14. Fourth element plus fourth, 12 plus 16. Add them. Minus 6 plus 13, so you'll get 7. Sign of the greater number is plus. 8 plus 13, you will add 21. Minus 7 plus 14 is 7. Sign of the greater number is plus. And 12 plus 16 is 28. So this is the second answer. So you can see that this first answer, left hand side and center, both are same. Now we will solve the third one, that is right hand side. Okay, let's solve the right hand side. Okay, let's write the right hand side. Right hand side is x plus z plus y. Okay, this is right hand side. Let's put the values. Value of x is minus 6, 8, minus 7 and 12. Then plus bracket value of z. Matrix z is 1, 0, 0, 1. Plus matrix y is 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay. Add the bracket first. We always add the bracket first. So this will remain as it is. Minus 6, 8, minus 7 and 12. Plus add, okay, rows and columns 2 by 2. Same here, 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. You can add them. First element plus first element, 1 plus 12. Second plus second, 0 plus 13. Third plus third, 0 plus 14. And fourth plus fourth, 1 plus 15. So this will become minus 6, 8, minus 7, 12 as it is. Add them. Add this bracket, this matrix. 1 plus 12 is 13. 0 plus 13 is 13. 0 plus 14 is 14. 1 plus 15 is 16. Now add these two. Same way you'll add. Order is same. First element plus first. Minus 6 plus 13. Second plus second. 8 plus 13. And third plus third, minus 7 plus 14, fourth plus fourth, 12 plus 16. So add minus 6 plus 13, you will subtract them, sign of the greater number 7. 8 plus 13 is 21. Minus 7 plus 14, subtract them, 7, sign of the greater number plus. 12 plus 16 is 28. So you can see this answer is also same as the other two answers. So it means that left hand side equals to center equals to right hand side. So all three sides I'm going to write x plus y plus z equals to x plus y plus z equals to x plus z plus y, and all are equals to 7, 21, 7, 28. So it is proved. Same way you'll do question number 16. Your homework is to do the remaining questions. Okay, your homework. Remaining questions of exercise 7.2. Question number 1, 2 and 3. You have to find that if they are equal or not. Then question number 7, 8, 9 and 10 you will subtract. Okay, and then after this question number 11, 12, 13 and 14 you will find the additive inverse, change the sign, and the last question you will prove. Okay, you will add and prove. Okay, so I hope you have understood today's lesson. It is very easy, very simple. Just do the lesson and complete the exercise. Okay girls, take care, bye.